Meaning of echidna.
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 Echidna. The echidna is a small, spiny mammal native to Australia and New Guinea. It is also known as the spiny anteater and belongs to the monotreme family, which means it lays eggs instead of giving birth to live young. Echidnas have a long snout that they use to hunt for insects, which they eat with their sticky, protruding tongue. They are covered in spines that protect them from predators, and they can even curl into a ball for added protection. Overall, the echidna is a unique and fascinating animal that is well adapted to its environment.